Welcome to our YouTube channel. Fire extinguisher? A fire extinguisher is a portable device used to control small fires or prevent them from spreading until firefighters arrive. Fire extinguishers contain chemicals that can extinguish fires by depriving them of oxygen, cooling the flames, or interrupting the chemical reactions that fuel the fire. There are different types of fire extinguishers, classified by the type of fire they are designed to extinguish. Here are the different classes of fire extinguishers. Class A, solid fire. These extinguishers are designed to put out fires involving ordinary combustibles such as wood, paper, and cloth. Class B, liquid fire. These extinguishers are designed to put out fires involving flammable liquids such as gasoline, oil, and paint. Class C, electrical fire. These extinguishers are designed to put out fires involving electrical equipment such as appliances, tools, and computers. Class D, metal fire. These extinguishers are designed to put out fires involving flammable metals such as magnesium, sodium, and potassium. Class K, kitchen fire. These extinguishers are designed to put out fires involving cooking oils and fats commonly found in kitchens. When using a fire extinguisher, remember the acronym PASS. 1. Pull the pin. 2. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. 3. Squeeze the handle to discharge the extinguishing agent. 4. Sweep the nozzle from side to side to cover the entire area of the fire. It is important to remember that fire extinguishers are designed to control small fires before they become large fires. If a fire is too large or dangerous, evacuate the area immediately and call the fire department. Thanks for watching.